Charu Pragya, first reactions. I know you're all smile right now. Your first reactions, and in terms of this verdict, be honest. Did you anticipate this at even 8 a.m. this morning?
So to this extent, no. Let me be honest and say to this extent, no. But my first reaction is only of gratitude, and this is the victory of the people of Bihar. This is a victory of every single mother who wanted her kids to go to a better school, of every single youngster who's getting skilled in their own district now. It's the victory of every village which was struggling to get even basic electrification. So I am very glad Bihar is on the fast track to progress. Currently, it is the state in the country with the highest jump in per capita income. That is the amount of work we have done in Bihar. And I can only smile and express gratitude and thanks. We have a lot more responsibility now, a lot more expectations to live up to.
All right, as you say that, are you confident till 2030 it will be Nitish as Chief Minister of Bihar?
Well, let's hope so, because Nitish ji is a very senior leader, and this time, and I have said this time and time again, it is not the mathematics which wins any election, not the combination of castes or other dynamics that the opposition wants to get into. It's the chemistry, and it's the chemistry between the alliance partners which has made this victory possible in such a thumping way. It is only the chemistry between the alliance partners. I also believe that what Bihar has achieved under Nitish ji's rule has been commendable. Every single person in the state has been talking about it, and we from a distance are also observing it with a lot of admiration.
Okay, I just want to at this moment,
put
Charu,
that
just
in contrast to how the opposition has fared today.
Charu, let me add a little bit more to your smile at this moment. It's a big embarrassment for the Congress party. You know, when it comes to the elections of Bihar, the Congress has been reduced to 2 leads out of 61 that they fought
and the BJP's 95 is a historic high. It's higher than 91 of 2010.
Yeah. Exactly, because in 2010 it was also propelled by 115 of the JDU. So JDU at that point of time, performed much better. The BJP is actually closer to the mark or more than the mark.
It's exceeded the strike rate of 2010.